we're doing, people? Blazing Magnets. It's Saturday afternoon, bank holiday weekend, and we're out fishing. We're out in Coventry today, so we are up at Bridge. I don't know whether you can see it. Let me see if I can. Let's have a look. No, we're up at Bridge number 3. So yeah, it's a lovely sunny day. It's nice blue skies. So we thought, sack it, we're going to go magnet fishing. So obviously you've got me today. You've also got the Queen, and we've got Marie. And you can see it now, Bridge number 3. So let's see what we can find. So yeah, we've got, obviously it's an old, it would have been like a mooring pin, a mooring peg. We've got some wooden rope around it, which looks pretty cool.
This is my podium.
And we've got a Boy Wonder on top. Hey, check that out, man. Hey, look at me. Give it the old thumbs up. So, just letting that boat go past. Only the new ones do. So, we've found somebody's house keys by the look of it.
Law Homes.
Law Homes.
I don't know if these.
Oh, they're on there like a thingy. Wow. Some keys. More keys to add to our collection of keys. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, just put them in that pink bucket of Mum's or something.
Yeah, we'll just put them in your mum's bucket, sack it. Everything goes in your mum's bucket.
I've got a scooter.
Oh, so we've got to check my scooter. That's not a bad one, man.
Ben.
We've got a scooter. Is it a rider or what?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's a goer and all. Come on, man. Here we go. Down the canal. There she goes. Check that bad boy. It's a rider and all. Yeah. Check that, man. Hang on. Towing the line.
Beep, beep.
Check that out, man. She's got a scooter as well. Is yours a rider?
Hey?
Is yours a rider? Marie's is a rider, man.
I've no idea.
She's been up and down the canal on it, man. So, Carol's got a road sign, a scooter. Oh man, check that bad boy out. I ain't seen one of them in years. Look at that bad boy. The old Puma. They're off a football boot. I think it's got a lock round it. The old Puma. I ain't seen one of them in years. coming up. It's coming up. What's she got? What is that? What on earth? What is it? What is that?
It's a motor or something, isn't it?
Oh, it's a fan, isn't it? No, it's not a fan.
City College.
Oh, have ya?
Yeah, man.
She's just found a chimney. Is it the same as Andy?
And it's got all the stuff around it.
Wow. So we've just found one just like MFA.
But it's also got
What's that in it?
the top pot,
Oh yeah.
if I can get it out.
Cool, man.
I can't.
Well, I can't see because I'm in the thingy.
Look.
Hang on, I've got your mum's magnet in my hand here, so I just need to come out 2 seconds. Me. So what have we got there?
That is the bit that hooks onto the top,
Wow, that's pretty cool.
and then this bit here is the bit that goes on the top, but it's actually falling into that.
Yeah. Yeah, someone's lost their
But
chimney.
that hasn't got
You should have
the-
just pushed that out the bottom. Oh yeah. Wow. It's a pretty cool find, isn't it?
I think.
No, I don't know if that does go on the top actually, I'm not sure.
But that might be a pot then.
Oh yeah, it looks more like a pot actually. That's a cool little chimney. Take that one home. Wow. Big boy 2. Big boy 2, big shout out to the Mag Pros. We love them.
A what pipe?
She's got a crack pipe. Right, I'll be back. I've got a crack pipe. Well, you will do in a minute.
Crack pipe. Not yet.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, you're right actually, isn't it? Yay, check that one out, man.
You can get a collection of these, can't
What is that you've got? What is that? Check that out for a monster pole, Carol. Look at that. Mate, that is... Oh, it's a full-on sign! Check that out!
Oh, it's slippy. No, it's all right. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll slam another magnet on it and pull it out. I'll tell you what, that's the biggest sign we've ever found. Yeah. What's it say?
Oh, look.
Oh no.
Can you grab that end? In.
Don't worry about the magnet, we'll get it off in a minute.
Do you know I've got this? Yeah. Oh, very.
It's right on her shoe. That is a monster. How we doing, guys? So, as you well know, we're using the old Mag Pro. We've got another 2 come this weekend. So obviously Queen's got one and Ali's got one now, and we've got another couple on order, or we will have on order. So if you guys want to get yourselves one of these, just visit the magpros.com, drop on the page, and when you decide which one you want, you pop Blazing Magnets in the discount code, you'll get 10% off your order. And I'll tell you what, they are cracking magnets. Cracking magnets. They love the safes. We've found quite a few safes with these, and yeah, they're spot on, mate. So right, anyway, it's going fishing now. So like I say, yeah, if you want one, visit the Mag Pros. I'll stick the link down here. Enter Blazing Magnets, all one word, and you'll receive 10% off your order. Spot on, guys.